Well, since it's about that time of the year, we thought we'd run through how to know when to harvest your pears. Because if you leave the pears on the tree until they're fully ripe, or you wait until they fall from the tree and gather them from the ground, they'll be too ripe and they'll be that very gritty texture, because pears actually ripen from the inside to the outside. So by the time you feel them becoming kind of soft on the outside, they're already starting to rot on the inside. So there are a few things that you can look at to make sure that you harvest your pears at the right time. Now, one of the first things that you want to do is come out and test your pears on a fairly regular basis, especially this time of year. And what you want to do is just lift your pears up horizontally, and if they break where they're supposed to separate, then they're ready to pick. Now, actually, this pear did not break at the right place, and I wouldn't really want to take it up far enough to break it off. But you see here how it broke in the middle of the stem. Where it actually should separate is right up here, where it would naturally come off. You can see right there, that's where it should come off very easily just by lifting it horizontally. So we could go through here and lift our pears up horizontally. If they separate easily for us, then it's time to go ahead and harvest them. Now, there are some other things that you can look at if you're just inspecting your pears very closely. There'll be a change in the ground cover color, which is the base color in the pear, from a darker green to a lighter green, and we're just getting that started here right now. The other thing that you'll see is that the lenticels, which are all these tiny dots on here, will start to cork over or turn browner, and you can see that we're just getting that started. Here you don't see as many of those lenticels, but here you can see quite a few of them. They're pretty obvious because they've begun to cork over. So while this pear wasn't completely ripe, it is getting very close to being time to pick. Now, once you've picked pears, you ripen them inside. And so what you can do is store all of the pears that you've harvested in a cool, moist environment. The crisper drawer of your refrigerator is a really good place to store them. You can wrap them in newspaper and store them in there. And then bring out pears as you want to ripen them and set them on the counter for a few days and let them go ahead and ripen. Now, the way to know when they're ready to eat is when you push on the top of the pear. When that area right there starts to get just a little bit soft when you push on it, that means the pear is ripe. Now, the rest of the pear shouldn't be mushy yet, but just right up here, that's where you check, and then your pears are ready to eat. So be sure to get those pears off before they're fully ripe to the outside so that you can enjoy them throughout the winter.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.